Ever wonder why collagen has become a buzzword in the health and beauty industry? Why do people rave about its benefits for our bodies and skin? It's because collagen is more than just a trend. It plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies. It's the building block that maintains the structure of our skin, bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Think of it as the glue that holds these things together. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, leading to common signs of aging, such as wrinkles and joint pain. Now you might be wondering, how can I boost my collagen levels? While there are collagen supplements and skin treatments available, they are not the only solutions. In fact, a well-balanced diet can significantly boost your body's natural collagen production. Certain foods are rich in the nutrients required for collagen production. These include amino acids, vitamin C, zinc, and copper. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein and are found in protein-rich foods such as meat, fish, dairy products, and legumes. Vitamin C is a key player in collagen synthesis. It's found in a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, including citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. Zinc and copper, found in foods like shellfish, seeds, nuts, and whole grains, are also essential for collagen production. Now, if you're looking for a food that's particularly rich in collagen, look no further than bone broth. This simple traditional food is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue. The result is a rich, flavorful broth packed with collagen and other beneficial nutrients. The benefits of boosting your collagen levels through diet are manifold. It can lead to healthier, more youthful-looking skin, improved joint health, stronger bones and muscles, and even better gut health. So to recap, collagen is a vital protein that plays a crucial role in our bodies. As we age, our collagen production decreases, but we can bolster it through a balanced diet rich in specific nutrients. Foods high in amino acids, vitamin C, zinc, and copper, as well as collagen-rich bone broth, can all contribute to natural collagen production. Remember, it's not just about looking good on the outside. Nourishing our bodies with the right nutrients can help us feel good on the inside too. So next time you're planning your meals, consider incorporating some of these collagen-boosting foods. Your body will thank you for it. In the realm of health and beauty, collagen is more than just a buzzword. It's a vital component of our bodies that contributes to our overall well-being. So, here's to a healthier, more radiant you through the power of collagen and a well-balanced diet.